Alright, hope everybody's enjoying their Saturday afternoon. Wanted to record a couple pre-calc videos just to provide some review for folks who are doing the homework. Remember, the homework has been extended to due on Tuesday, and I'm going to do level 7. And I want to do both problems 2 and 3. These are just more models of solving limits algebraically, and I think it'll help you all get a better sense of exactly how to solve these problems. So level 7, limits algebraically, we'll start with number 2, and again I'll move the screen in a second, which is the limit as x goes to -3 of x cubed plus 27 divided by, and I'm about to throw this marker away because I think it's getting a bit dull, as you all will see. Is it a bit dull? It's a bit dull. Let's just get a new marker here. Okay, so the first thing we always do is let's plug in the c value, or in other words, what is x approaching? So then that'll give us -3 cubed plus 27 over -3 plus 3. -3 cubed is -27. -27 plus positive 27 is 0. -3 plus 3 is 0. So this is the indeterminate form. So I need to do something. When I look at this, the bottom cannot be factored. Maybe the top can be. And in fact, if I just think back a little bit, the top can be factored. Because remember, you learned the sum of cubes formula. Sum of cubes said x cubed plus 27. Sum of cubes formula said a cubed plus b cubed equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. This was the formula for sum of cubes. So how can we apply that formula to our problem? Well, we have x cubed plus 27. So let's see how that fits in. Well, x cubed plus 27, how does that relate to a cubed plus b cubed? Well, a cubed is x cubed and b cubed is 27. A cubed is x cubed, b cubed is 27. So this term right here in brown factors to a plus b. If a cubed is x cubed, a must be x, plus b cubed was 27, b must be 3, a squared. A cubed was x cubed. That means a is equal to x. A squared must be x squared, minus a times b. A is x, b is 3, so minus 3x, plus b squared. B cubed is 27, b is 3, which means b squared is 9. This red is the factoring of the brown, which is the factoring of the numerator of my limit. So I can now rewrite my limit in factored form. So I'm going to get the limit, and again I'll move it up in 1 second. Limit as x goes to -3, so just like we had before. But instead of writing the top, I'm going to write this new factored form. X plus 3 times x squared minus 3x plus 9, and that's all divided by x plus 3. So this is exactly like what we started with, except it's been factored. Now we get this cancellation, so we get limit. Please make sure you have the good notation, which means writing limit along the way. X squared minus 3x plus 9. Now we know we're not going to get 0 over 0, so plug this in. So what do I get? -3 squared minus 3 times -3 plus 9, which is equal to -3 squared is 9. -3 times -3 is 9 plus 9, which is 27. So now go back to your original problem. This was the original problem. So this limit equals 27. So we got the limit as x goes to -3. Rewrite the original problem always. And there you have it. So this used the strategy of factoring. Let me now record another video. No, in fact, let me stop this video, then I'll record on a new video a different strategy. So let me stop this one here.